Are you sick and tired of your credit? Your credit file follows you around everywhere you go. When you go to buy a car, it's right there with you. When you go to buy a house, there it is. And even when you go to get insurance or just rent an apartment, it follows you around. Now, if your credit is damaged, you may have an angry credit file like this guy. We don't want you to have an angry credit file. We want you to have a happy credit file, because an angry credit file makes your life miserable and it creates serious roadblocks in your life. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. You're going to get 3 amazing things from this video. First, I'm going to show you how to beat the bad credit items out of your credit file. Because you know what really makes me angry? This credit file controls me instead of me controlling it. You can't get rid of it. Whenever there's an application involved, like getting a loan or applying for a job, it's right there next to you and it controls your life. I'm going to show you how to be in control to take back your life. I'm also going to reveal what may seem like the impossible, how literally tens of thousands of people have 100% legally and legitimately gotten items deleted from their credit file, such as late payments, collections, charge-offs, repossessions, foreclosures, and even bankruptcies. You're also going to get our exclusive 5 simple steps to repair your credit. And please understand, we're all different. Our credit situations are different. The reasons we got in trouble are different. So you deserve a personalized solution, and that's what you're going to get today. If you're tired of high interest rates, harassing collection calls, and getting rejected for things you need, watch to see how you can quickly turn things around. Before we get started, let me give you a little background. One of the reasons you should be listening to us is we didn't just stumble upon this. We've been helping hard-working Americans improve their credit and their finances for many years. Our team has experience in a wide array of financial industries, including credit repair, mortgage lending, automotive finance, collections, and debt negotiation, to name just a few. We are certified members of the Credit Consultants Association, and we've spent years perfecting a simple formula to improve credit with very little time needed. Here's what a nationally known journalist has to say about our training. It has been the only product I have seen, used, and reviewed that I can recommend. Not only do you get 10 times the information you'd expect, it's all easy to understand and follow. Now that's from Becky Blanton, the journalist, author, and TED Global speaker. Now the first thing to understand is how your credit actually works. Let's use this file folder to illustrate a credit report. Your credit file has a lot of data inside of it, whether it's good, bad, correct, or even incorrect. Now that data in your credit file comes from mortgage companies, car loans, credit cards, collection companies, courthouses, and other financial institutions. They report good, bad, correct, and even incorrect information to the 3 main credit bureaus that create your credit reports. These credit bureaus use a computer to organize and filter the information by 4 main identification sources: your name, your social security number, date of birth, and current and past addresses. So, an item correct or incorrect could go in your credit file if it has any combination of these 4 identification sources. Let me repeat that. Any item can show up in your credit file if it has a combination of these 4 identification sources. And these errors damage credit scores, which could prevent you from getting your next car, apartment, or your dream home. Now that's why so many mistakes occur on credit reports. Because of these mistakes, credit bureaus receive over 500,000 disputes from consumers every single month. So there are probably things in your credit file that are not your fault, which means you're throwing money down the drain. Kind of scary, right? So here's something you absolutely need to understand. Credit bureaus are not responsible to check your credit file for inaccuracies or incompleteness. They're just in the information gathering business. You're the one responsible for maintaining accuracy on your own credit report, not the government, not the reporting agencies, only you. And mistakes in credit files affect millions of Americans, so you're not alone. According to an official study by the U.S. Public Research Interest Group, 7 out of 10 Americans have incorrect information on their credit report that is hurting their credit file and their credit score. That incorrect information might be the difference between getting approved and being rejected. So imagine you have a get-together with 30 friends and family. there's a chance that 21 of those 30 loved ones have errors on their credit reports that they have the legal right to have removed. These are errors that can create huge amounts of stress, cost them thousands of dollars, and make life so much more difficult. So if we know 21 out of 30 of these files are wrong, everybody needs to know how to correct even the smallest error in their own credit file. Whether you have good, average, or damaged credit, you need to know how this works, and your family and friends do too. So now that you know how credit reports are created and how often mistakes happen on credit reports, let's talk about the good and bad items inside a credit file. Then I'll show you our secret on how to remove those bad items. So let's use balloons to represent the positive items that help improve your credit report. You get a positive on your file when you make a payment on time, pay off a loan, or have an account with a long history of being open. The balloons become larger from things like clean payment records, keeping low balances on your credit cards, and longer credit history. But the bad marks or negatives in your file are like these weights. They bring down your credit file and lower your credit score. Some of these weights are heavier than others, and an example of a bankruptcy might be a 100-pound weight, while a missed payment might be a 10-pound weight. But here's the good news. When you get one of these weights removed, it can lighten your credit file virtually overnight. So as soon as the item is deleted, you can immediately see the change in your new credit score. The new positive change in your credit score leads to more approvals and less rejection. Now let's see what that looks like with some quick numbers. These numbers are important to see how much money you could save on a car loan just from a lower interest rate, because you deserve that money much more than the bank does. By removing some of the weights and adding balloons to make your file lighter, instead of paying 23% interest on a car loan, you may get an 8% interest rate. Now on a $15,000 car with a 7-year loan, that equals $10,661 in less interest. Think about what you could do with an extra $150 in your pocket each month just by knowing how to lift your credit file. And that savings is just from one car loan. What other credit card balances or loans do you have that you could save money on, which will make your life so much easier? And you know, damaged credit also weighs you down personally. When you have a heavy credit file, it's like you're carrying all those weights on your back every single day of your life. Every credit issue adds more weights, and more weights. So does carrying all these weights make you stressed and frustrated? If you're like most people, unfortunately, it does. But from this point forward, you don't have to worry about it, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can be in control of your credit file instead of it being in control of you. And now I'll show you how to swing this bat with our solution, the Credit Repair Doctor. The first item is our exclusive guide titled 5 Simple Steps to Easy Credit Repair. This will quickly guide you through the exact process of increasing your credit score by removing the negative weights and adding positive balloons. Not only do you get the written guide, you also get our exclusive Credit Repair Doctor videos. These easy-to-follow videos provide you with simple instructions, like having a credit expert sitting right there with you. You're also going to get our progress tracker that documents your progress and shows you the exciting results you obtain. If you think your credit is too damaged or impossible to improve, don't worry. The Credit Repair Doctor's advanced manual will help you with customized solutions for issues severe as bankruptcies, foreclosures, collections, charge-offs, late payments, and so much more. It also shows you how to immediately and permanently stop harassing collector calls at your home, at your job, and even on your cell phone. We've also taken the work out of disputing for you with our exclusive dispute letter templates. Remember, I promised you a personalized solution? Well, each sample dispute letter is customizable to your situation, and they cover over 40 different credit issues. This is important because the person looking at your credit file when you dispute has 4 minutes to make a decision. So your letter has to look legitimate and not like everybody else's. Because you have these templates, you can write a legitimate letter in less than 5 minutes. So you get all of these items with the Credit Repair Doctor. And right now we're doing a test. We've been asked by many of our clients to take our physical product and turn it into a digital electronic version to make it portable at a lower price. So this is the new improved version. If you're one of the first 245 people to use our product and tell us what you think, we're offering 3 bonus items completely free. These are the same items we sell separately for $97 each. If you'll agree to tell us what you think, we'll give you these 3 following bonuses for free. Your first exclusive bonus is the Credit Repair Doctor Budget Guide. Living paycheck to paycheck is a vicious cycle, and this economy is making it worse. Our budget guide immediately helps you increase your cash flow, breaks that vicious cycle, and eliminates your financial stress. I've never seen anything that helps you put your budget together in such an easy and simple way. It's also a great way to show your kids how to save money. Now, bonus number 2 is setting goals like a superstar. This is a personal thing that we want you to have. It's one of those items that can change everything. Setting the goal to spend just 1 hour a month to change your credit can create magic. Imagine what will happen when you set a couple other ones with this amazing solution. This will show you how to easily integrate your top goals and dreams into your life. And the third bonus is emergency money, how to generate quick cash in an emergency. With this bonus, you'll have more than 145 ways to quickly generate cash for something sudden like a home or auto repair. Look, I absolutely hate it when people get ripped off. We're offering this so you can avoid getting ripped off by one of those high interest rate title loan or payday loan companies. These 3 bonus items are only available if you'll agree to give us your opinion, and you're one of the first 245 people who get access during this test period. You also get this huge bonus that's already included as part of our training. Unlike credit repair companies who only help remove the weights from your credit file, our course will also give you the strategies to add positive balloons to build up your credit file. This is vital for people with bad credit who want good credit, and just as important for people with good credit who want excellent credit. Just one of our techniques could increase your credit score 30, 60, or even 100 points. That's huge. Combine several of these together and you could be looking at a couple hundred points increase in your credit score. So missing out on these techniques might cost you a fortune. So don't make the mistake of paying a credit repair service $2,000 for over 12 months while only getting half the help you need. That's why Americans are choosing the Credit Repair Doctor. It helps you beat the bad out of your credit file, and it helps you build up your credit. Plus, we're making this even more affordable right now with special discounts during this short test period. You can get the entire Credit Repair Doctor and the free bonuses for one payment of only $127. This is a limited time discount because our test period ends soon and the price is going up. You'll still be eligible for the free bonuses at this moment. You just need to click the button below and you'll be directed to our download page to get instant access to the Credit Repair Doctor and the 3 free bonus items. The Electronic Credit Repair Doctor gives you instant download access so you can have your first dispute letters out today. It works on Windows, Macs, tablets, and even smartphones so you can take it anywhere. We're committed to your success and so confident in the Credit Repair Doctor, we offer our hassle-free 60-day money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is our #1 priority. This allows you to purchase the Credit Repair Doctor with no risk so you don't miss out on this opportunity. You'll be directed to the simple and secure order page where you can use a credit card, debit card, or your PayPal account. There's only one step after clicking the button below, so the process takes less than a minute. So click below to start removing these roadblocks and eliminate your financial stress. So what are these 5 simple steps? Well, let's reveal them. First of all, step 1 is to access your credit file and report. We will give you the one government-approved source where you can get your 3 credit reports for free without a membership or credit card needed. You'll watch a video of us accessing a credit report from that website, and we walk you through how to get yours. Now, the second step is to review your credit report. You'll watch a second video of an employee reviewing their own credit report to show you exactly what each item is, and they explain what to look for on your credit report. Now, in our third step, you will have a small list of items in the order of how badly they hurt your credit. Then you'll be able to immediately attack the items that can lighten your credit file and raise your credit scores the most. Now, step 4 is to begin your disputes using our exclusive sample letters. We have over 40 dispute letters that show you exactly what to write and how to customize it to your situation, putting you at ease that a mistake will not be made. Here's what that means. You'll know how to maximize your time by effectively combining several disputes into one letter to lift your credit file as fast as possible. That's what makes this whole system so great and how it works so well. Okay, now let's look at your last step. Now you're going to love step 5. Relax and wait while you get a response from the credit bureaus. Once you hear back from them, our course will guide you the rest of the way. You've seen how simple our 5-step process is, so you have one of two options. You can do nothing and continue to be weighted down by your credit. Have your credit file follow you around angry everywhere you go, letting companies continue to gouge you on interest rates and be at the mercy of your credit file with very little control. Or you can take action like thousands of others have and use our time-proven system to improve your credit. Take the bat to regain control of your credit file and make it happy. We're taking all the risk with our 60-day money-back guarantee out of it, so all you have to do is take action. Erica from Chicago took action with the information we gave her. Now let's hear what she had to say.
I couldn't believe how easy it was to get something completely deleted from my credit report. I am so happy. Thank you so much.
Now, here's the proof Erica sent us when the item was deleted. To take advantage of our experience and get the personalized solution you deserve, just like our other clients, click below. Your life will be easier by removing the roadblocks and removing that financial stress. And because missing out on this opportunity and doing nothing will cost you a fortune, when you remove those negative weights, you get less rejection, lower interest rates, and less money taken from your wallet. You can enjoy life more, feel good about your credit, and be proud that you took control.